Imagine this. You are away from your room and someone sneaked inside. That exact thought made me build this project. I need a way to know who it was. Not just a sound, not just a text message, real evidence like an image. If you saw my previous project, I built a basic alarm system using Node MCU and a PIR sensor. The system could send telegram messages when motion was detected, but I still didn't know who triggered the alarm. So today I upgrade my security system into a smart camera-based anti-theft alarm system using ESP32-CAM. The system starts in standby mode. It's on but not armed. When I send the command, the PIR sensor becomes active. If motion is detected, alarm buzzer rings. Flashlight turns on very quickly. Camera captures the intruder's face. 2 photos are sent to my phone. Then the system automatically disarms until I reactivate again. This is a real evidence capturing system now. Here are the components that I used. Of course, ESP32-CAM, a PIR motion sensor, high power LED flashlight, ESP32MB, it is a programmer board, a LED, a buzzer, capacitors, BC547 Transistors, and of course, you know what is this? It's 1K resistor. That's all needed to build a smart CCTV system. This is the circuit diagram. All grounds must be tied together. Use ESP32MB board to upload the code. Wiring is simple. Okay, I mounted this on the wall. See how beautiful it is. The ESP32-CAM's built-in flashlight is tiny and of course it overheating. So I added high power flashlight. First, you have to install some libraries. Universal Telegram Bot, ESP32 Servo, Adafruit SSD 11306, Adafruit GFX. In my previous video, I taught step by step how to create a Telegram bot. So if you missed that, you can watch that video first. Link in description. Here I just enter my Wi-Fi and bot details. ESP32-CAM doesn't include a USB interface. So we use an ESP32MB programmer board to connect it to the PC. Select AI Thinker ESP32-CAM in board selection. Now upload the code. The bot understands these commands: activate alarm, deactivate alarm, take a photo anytime, view live feed in local network. I send ARM, system ARM. So this is my upgraded ESP32-CAM anti-theft alarm system. Now I don't just get alerts, I get the face of the intruder. If you enjoy this project, don't forget to like, comment and share. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys.